There's a lot of people that say that it doesn't line up, but I got most of the bolts. I'm just missing the one over in the back, but I know for sure it lines up because I already tested it. So it does fit. It's just like the only issue we might have. So I just put the Juggernaut in. It's not straight. That's the only issue. Might need a little spacer, but try to figure it out. That's it. Just need to figure that the bearing. These are pretty good. I have this on my brother's mini bike. This is a stock one. And then I just got some Nibi grips. These work good. Yeah, so I just gotta do that, and then see what else I have to do. But and there's little challenges, but we manage to get through it. Because a lot of people say that you gotta weld the plate, drill the holes, make sure the motor's sticking out over here on this side. But I don't think I have to do all that. But if we do have to do that, I'll be ready, because I have this plate. I already have the holes cut already for the 212, and I guess the 224 will fit on this too. It might be fit like that, or I guess this way, like that. But that's be plan B. But I'm still trying to make it fit and use the stock holes for the mounts and see if it works. I'll keep you guys updated. Guys, giving you a quick update. So I won't be able to use the stock holes for the motor mounts on the Predator 224 because the shaft is a little shorter. It doesn't line up on the torque converter, so I won't be able to do that, because the belt is gonna be coming this way, and it's just gonna strip the belt. So what I did was I got this plate. It has the holes cut in for the 212 and the 224, and I just trimmed it. And I'm trying to set it up, and what I'm gonna do is just weld it around it, put a couple welds, reinforce it, and mount the 224 in it, and get that Juggernaut with the torque converter lined up. So I'll keep you guys updated on it. What's up, guys? So it's been a couple hours, so just mounted the motor. Well, still gotta bolt down the motor mount bolts, but with the plate and everything, it's looking good. It's looking promising. So what I did, I just welded the plate. I did, or actually, spot welded here in the middle, and then on this side, and then on the other side too. And then put some stop rust paint just to protect it from the elements. And then after laying it dry, that's when I decided to set up the frame and then put the motor right now. So I'm gonna keep working on it, and then I'll keep you guys updated on it. But it's looking good. It's just, I don't know, might have issues with the exhaust here, because I know I took off this little plate that goes here. It's this one. I believe it goes, how does it go? Like that? I believe so. No, I have it wrong. Yeah, I think something like that. But I took it off because of the exhaust. So I don't know what we're gonna do with that, but I'll let my brother-in-law decide what to do with it. But I'm just gonna keep working on it. Keep you guys updated on it.